What's up, YouTube? Right now, coming to you with another video, and today is like, you know, well, yesterday it was, but like today is a big day because I'm showing y'all. So right now, here I'm just gonna show y'all because I'm not really good at like surprise and stuff like that. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Hold on. YouTube, I got me, you know what I'm saying? First car, Infinity. Yes, I do got a fishbowl. Few minor spots, but there's cool. Hey, it's an S though. But nah, anyways, yeah, I just want to show y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a better review. But right now I am getting my windows tinted on the first day. Yeah, I'm getting my windows tinted just cause I couldn't do it, bro. I couldn't do it. But I'm gonna hit y'all when I get done. Hello. Alright, YouTube. Okay. 1 second now. I think it's my first time here. Or YouTube. So the people said it's gonna take 2 hours, hour and a half. So I'm gonna give me some to eat and then log into my online class. But yeah. What's up, YouTube? It's Tyler coming to you with another POV. And right now. So earlier in this video, I had showed y'all me getting it was like a quick, like a little, how would you say it? A quick little show, basically, of the car. Like, I showed you that I was getting a tint, first day of having it, but now, I've driven it a lot, actually, the past couple of days, but I would say I'm just getting used to the car. I like it. Yeah, low key. Now, yeah, like I was saying though, I've been enjoying the car. I'm gonna start making like upgrades soon, but like I'm gonna do it like slow just cause winter is coming up and all of that. Yeah, but it's a nice car. I like it. I feel like it's one of the cars where like you definitely have, like, you definitely modify, you know? It's like just one of those cars. Cause low key, I could have like won with anything, but I've been telling y'all that like I want an Infinity. Now it's not a Q50. Now I understand that, but I mean, there's really not like a big difference just cause like I got like the T37XS, you know, and so it's just like I don't know. I had seen a 50S the other day. I don't know what he had. It was low-key loud. Like, it was just loud for no reason type. But it was nice, though. I'm not gonna hate. But, yeah. I ain't did a POV in a minute. So, I'm just gonna show y'all the car and we just go vibe for a little bit. Oh, another thing. Oh, okay, so I told y'all I've been driving a lot, right? I haven't been driving it in like sport, just cause like I just got the car, and I'm not trying to like, you know what I'm saying, like do too much with it. But also I only want to like put in a sport once I like actually start doing my modifications, cause I don't know, I feel like it get the job done. But I'm just gonna show y'all, cause now I haven't said. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna show y'all how it is in sport. I feel like this car is like once you modify it, it's gonna be way better than what it is. I'm not saying I'm grateful for what I got. I'm just saying like I feel like I don't know, y'all. Just yapping right now. No, but yeah, y'all. It's cool and all. I think I'm gonna go downtown just cause it's what's today? Tuesday? No, today's Monday. No, yeah. Go downtown. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be all cleared out, so probably get some like good scenery, hopefully. Also, y'all let me know, like, could y'all help me find some like people who actually like mod cars, like in the Houston or like the Austin area, or like maybe like Dallas, just cause like I don't know, it's like I want to do it myself, like I want to learn how to do it myself. It's just like the things that like I'm not gonna be able to. Probably like the exhaust and stuff like that. I'm gonna need like, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna need somebody to do that. So I'm just asking y'all if y'all could help me find somebody, cause I asked around and like the people at the tire shops and stuff like that, I asked them and nobody really knows. So y'all help me out, please. Alright, y'all. I've been thinking, instead of calling y'all like YouTube, even though like this is the platform, like what should like, I feel like at the beginning of like every YouTuber's like career or like just whatever, people struggle with calling like their fan base. So right now I want to get that out of the way, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, like y'all let me know in the comments what y'all would like to be called, you know, what y'all prefer to be called, or if YouTube is cool, then you know, fine by me. We gonna hop on the highway, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. We gonna hop on the highway. We just go crew. Low key, I'm gonna put in like when we get closer to a bridge, I'm gonna put in a sport. But other than that, y'all comment what y'all finna do on Thanksgiving besides eat. You know what I'm saying? Y'all finna travel? Like, what y'all finna do? Low key, I do want to travel. Like, I want to go out of state for real. I've been like, I don't know. I've been feeling to go out of state. I just want to like travel, see new things, things in that nature for real. Whoa, like, what's the problem? When I had first got this car, I did not like. I was surprised that the people, or like the man who had sold it to me, he had said that the car had take 93. Like, that's crazy. That's actually crazy. I don't know if y'all can hear it. It sounds pretty good, like in just like in drive. It sounds good. That's why I really don't put in sport like that. And plus, it be moving for real. Like, I'm telling y'all, I haven't hit 100 yet, just cause once again, not trying to dog it out. I haven't went over 85. Go ahead, pop it in sport. Now look, it is manual too, y'all. So. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know where I'm going. If I'm being like completely honest. Dang. Bro, you gotta put your car in the shop, buddy. We're not even gonna pull up all the way. But that's crazy. Oh, another thing, y'all, it is all-wheel drive, so no rear. Wait, I have a question also. We're gonna wait. All right, but I have a question. So if you're all-wheel drive, like, can you still drift or what? there is no way. I don't know where I am, bro. Oh yeah, y'all, it's like 12 something. It's like 12 something on a Monday night. Why is there traffic? Alright, y'all, so traffic done cleared up. You feel me? Now we can cruise. Big. Come on, you big thing. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Oh yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I actually enjoy this car. This car is smooth. For like the year, it feel like it don't feel like how would I word this? So it's a 2010, y'all, right? But like the interior and stuff like that, to me, like me personally, it feels like at least like a 2015, you know? But that could all just be in my head, or I could just be yapping. But I don't know. I like this car, and just know that like once I start tuning in and stuff like that, y'all, I'm gonna have fun. I'm gonna have fun showing y'all, and you know it's just gonna be up from there. Like I don't know. It's just we gonna have some great things coming soon. Also, I do want to like collab with like all the other like, you know what I'm saying, like the Infinity people, the Infinity Squad, you know what I'm saying. I do want to also do that. My friend, he has a couple homeboys who have some nice cars as well. If I'm not mistaken, it's like one of them have a 370 or 350. I'm not sure. And then another one has a Type R. And then he has a Honda Sport something. But yeah, I also want to do like a little video with them. Hopefully I can get up with them one day and show y'all. But I don't know, y'all. I just want to do more things for y'all, so I can give y'all better content. Cause right now, I feel like it's like I'm in a loop, you know? I'm giving y'all loop content, you know? So I want to just show y'all different things. I want to also just collab and like just I don't know. I feel like I'm saying the same thing. I feel like I'm yapping now, so we just go cruise. Alright, y'all. So I had bust the UE just cause it's time to go back to the crib, but yeah, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. If I was to wrap the car, what do y'all think? Like how would y'all think I would wrap it? Like what color? And designs, I don't know. I feel like a design. Okay, no. Like designs on certain cars look good, but I don't think like a design on my car would look good. But if I was to wrap it, y'all, what color should I wrap it? Give me some ideas, cause that's probably gonna be one of the first things I do. So y'all give me some ideas. If the ideas are like, you know what I'm saying, if they dope, then probably I just might do one of them or a combination or whatever. But y'all let me know in the comments down below. Y'all, should I drop the car? Like, should I lower it? I'm really just thinking like y'all should just help me like build the car, if that makes sense. Like, y'all give me some ideas, cause my vision for the car is really to like install like simple things like, you know, exhaust, you know, like rims, but like I don't know about like all the extra stuff, like dropping the car and like coilovers, something like I don't know, but I just know that I'm gonna need some help just cause it's my first car. It's my first mod car. And I ain't never like really did nothing like that. Now, I know with all my with my other car, my Jeep that I had, I'm not gonna lie, I did want to mod it, and what I mean by that is just like I want to like lift it and like just little things like that. But with this car, since you know it's a G37 XS, I gotta just do a little extra to it. Y'all let me know. I just had a brain fart that quick. I was just gonna say something. Oh yeah. Could y'all let me know if y'all like the nighttime highway POVs? Cause I ain't gonna lie, like driving around in the city is cool and all, but it's just like it wastes more gas. And I feel like you can do more on a highway rather than like, you know what I'm saying, like the regular streets. So y'all let me know if y'all like the highway POVs or do y'all prefer the inner cities. Y'all, it's gonna sound good with a new exhaust. Y'all just give me some time. I was on YouTube the other day, and recently, I was watching some people with the G37, and some people had like changed out their whole like screen right here, like their whole dash right here, and they have put it like the Tesla screen. I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I'm gonna do that just cause like the ambient lights right there. I was thinking about just putting like some ambient lights around, and yeah, low key. And also I wasn't gonna do stars just cause I have peanut butter, like the inside is all brown, so I'll just gonna do the ambient lighting for real. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know about that idea. Like, y'all let me know if I should swap it out or keep it. But most likely, I am going to keep it, if I'm being honest. Another thing about this car being all-wheel drive, I feel like it's more easier to it's more easier to handle. I think the Corvette was rear wheel drive, so I'm not saying it was hard to handle, but it was definitely like you definitely can feel the power from the back of the car. But low key, I feel like I just be gliding. Like I feel like I'm on a spaceship, for real. I recommend the G37 XS to anybody who out there can get one. I recommend y'all go get any car y'all want. Just work, continue to work, and also don't motivate other people if you're not taking your own advice. You know, like input output. You know, so yeah. But other than that, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all have a great night, a great day. Whenever y'all watching this, like, comment, and subscribe, y'all.